Random sampling versus non-random sampling. Random sampling is also known as probability sampling. In case of random sampling, each sample unit gets equal chance to be selected from the population. There will be no interference from the researcher to select one unit rather than other. For example, if we are selecting 60 students from 1,000 population, using random sampling procedure, then every student gets equal probability of 1/1000 to be selected the sample. One way to undertake random sampling would be if researcher was to construct a sampling frame first, and then used a random number generation computer program to pick a sample from the sampling frame. Zygmunt, 2002. Probability, or random sampling, has the greatest freedom from bias, but may represent the costliest sample in terms of time and energy for a given level of sampling error. Brown, 1947. Advantages. In case of random sampling, each item or element in the universe has equal chance of being selected. As the samples represent total population, the findings of research can be generalized to total population. It is more systematic and scientific in nature. Disadvantages. It is more complex for researcher to adopt. Respondents can't be selected according to researcher's judgment. So, each sample may not be able to provide adequate information. Non-random sampling procedures are also called non-probability sampling. Unlike in random sampling, there is no equal chance of selection for each sample unit in non-random sampling. There may be a role of researchers' preference of choosing one unit rather than other. The non-random sampling or non-probability sampling puts researchers' ease at center. Non-probability sampling is often associated with case study research design and qualitative research. A sample of participants or cases does not need to be representative or random, but a clear rationale is needed for the inclusion of some cases or individuals rather than others. Advantages. It is easy for researcher. It requires no complex procedure. Samples are selected according to ease of researcher. Data can be elicited from experts and knowledgeable persons. So quality of information is richer and adequate. Disadvantages. It lacks reliability and probability in sampling. It's not scientific either. Research findings may not be generalized to total population. There is no equal probability for each unit to be selected.